How to replace Toro Wheel Horse drive belts. As the mowing seasons go by, the drive belt on your Toro Wheel Horse garden tractor will grow to be frayed and brittle. The signs of drive belt failure can be witnessed when the portion of your lawn you just traveled over isn't any shorter than before. When this comes to pass, your garden tractor will no longer cut grass because it's the drive belt that's in charge of spinning the mower blades. Switching out a kaput drive belt does not call for the services of a trained repairman. You can complete the replacement at home by hand in less than a half hour. Things you will need: adjustable wrench, Toro drive belt. Park the Toro Wheel Horse on a flat, smooth surface. Disconnect the spark plug and remove the start key. Seize the deck lever position directly beside the driver's seat and guide it down through the notches until the deck reaches its lowest possible setting. Employ an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the screws holding the belt guard in place. Take off the belt guard, which is positioned in the middle of the mower deck. Shimmy beneath your Toro and manually pry the broken drive belt from the engine pulley. Pull the used belt off the stationary idler pulley. Lastly, yank the final section of the previous belt away from the clutch idler pulley. Both idler pulleys are placed directly adjoining the engine pulley. Affix the replacement Toro drive belt to the grooves that line the clutch idler pulley. Turn the clutch idler pulley over 1/2 rotation by hand. Attach the next portion of the new drive belt to the grooves along the stationary idler pulley. Fit the final segment of belt around the engine pulley. The new belt should now exhibit a snug fit with no slack. Reinstall the belt guard. Grab the Toro deck lever and guide it up to your desired cutting height. Start the Toro garden tractor and test it for normal operation.